Hello everyone, welcome to the session. So today we are going to learn how to log in an EC2 instance using Gitbash tool. So let's first understand what is Gitbash tool. So most of the DBAs who work in the real time or they are just the practitioner, they use the Linux command and they are very much familiar with these commands. So the Gitbash also provides the Linux-like feeling and it support all the Linux command. So this is a very good tool to use. The next is how we can connect to an EC2 instance using this Gitbash tool. So there are few steps which we can follow. So first one is convert the PPK key to the PEM key if needed by using the puttygen tool. So while we create the EC2 instance at that time it gives an option to convert the PPK key to the PEM key. So if we have converted it at that time, then no need to convert using the puttygen tool. We can use the same PEM key. And after that, we need to change the PEM key file permission to 400, means it just allows the owner of this file to read it by using the chmod command. And in the next step, we can use the ssh command to log into the server. And here we will be using the public IP of that EC2 instance, and when we create the EC2 instance at that time it also creates this EC2 hyphen user command to log into the EC2 instance. So if I go here, so if I go here in my AWS console, so you see I have created this EC2 instance, and if I click here, so this is the public IP which has generated here. So I'll be using this public IP to connect, and I will be using that Gitbash tool. So let's connect to that. Okay. So I have to use that SSH command. So I'll use that SSH chmod. So I'll be using this. Okay. And now I have to run the same command which I have shown you earlier in the notepad, that I will use this command to connect to the EC2 instance using the Git bash. So this terminal you are seeing here is the Git bash tool, and now I am running the SSH command to connect to this EC2 instance. So let's see. So it will ask for the connection permission. I just given yes. So you see here I am connected to this EC2 instance, and the username is ec2-user. I can just do sudo su hyphen Postgres, or just since Postgres user is not yet created, sudo hyphen su. So it will take me to that root.